All right, what are we doing? How we doing? How's everyone going? Happy Thanksgiving to everyone out there. Yeah, we got it up. Oh no, that's Swift Coin. Yeah, someone sent me a Snapchat or Cash App rather. Uh, to look at Swift Coin. They sent me $10. I don't know who it was though. Let's see here. Can you hear me okay? We live? We good? What's up, T13? Het in the house. Slava. How you guys doing? CD, the only one. Shib. Vlad. G7. What's up, Shadow? What's up, Veronica? Darren. Welcome in. Yeah, did you guys eat a lot of turkey today? I had none. No turkey. We made a bunch of rice and tacos and hot sauce, and that's what we had. There was no turkey today. He had hamburger helper, he says. Don't get me wrong, it wasn't bad. It was delicious. I haven't eaten that good in a while. Just that authentic Mexican food. No tamales, though. Sell flip coins. Sector. All right. I guess since he was the first one in here, we looked at it yesterday, but I don't think he remember. Let's see what we got going on with prop base here. So initially, it's not really ever done anything but go sideways here. High to the low, it's getting stuck right at the 618 here. So it really needs to break above 11, and it needs to break the downtrend that it's in here. It's overall bullish, making higher lows here, so not bad in that respect. So it's trying to push through 11 right now. So if you can hold 11 or above, you're good to go here. And then, of course, the big price to beat. You need to get this thing to have some momentum and some follow through here, break the trend, break the market structure, move up 27%, and at least hit 13.9 here, even if it pulls back again. But you need to break this market structure. But other than that, how high is this thing going to end up going? What is your price target on this? And as you can see, I'm messing around with the other fibs on the chart. We have a whole bunch of new targets here. We'll see how that works out. I don't know if that's going to complicate things or not. Yeah, let's finish this one first. Yeah, but it depends on where you think this one can end up. It's at I think $42 million. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, $42 million market cap at the moment. So if it goes to the moon soon, before they release more tokens, if they're gonna, I don't know. But you said money's gonna flow into these type of coins. So the 2272 retracement, pretty much $1 here, almost $1.09 would give you a 9 and almost a 10x to a $382 billion market cap. I would say that's very possible. And then the 2618, excuse me, $1.75, 674 million market cap for almost a 16x. And then if you think it's going to hit $1 billion, that'll take you up around $3. Not a bad 27x almost. The other thing I can do, hopefully you don't miss this time. If I can get that to move. Yeah, you're above the 382. So on that one, you're bullish here. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It's a good chart. It's a new coin. So it'll probably do something. There we go. That's better. Injective snack. So yeah, we'll go over to deck screener here in just a moment. Just remind me. What about AVT? Is it ready to moon? Did I hear that SPA was moving? Did SPA go to the moon? All these Coinbase coins that we've been watching forever now, bottoming out. Oh my God. Damn, SPA went to the moon. Where are the SPA holders at? Damn, everything that's in this formation here is taken off. Yeah, you're over the 0.5 at 2.8. Next stop is another 50% move. About a 55% move to the 618 at 4.6. Could very well be headed up here. We've seen a lot of things hit the 618. Nice move though. AVT. Yeah, AVT is about to take off. Same formation that we've been watching, just down here in the dirt. Holding for a long time, curled up. It just got above the 786 here. Let's see. I'm trying to see if it just made a higher high. It doesn't look bad. It broke through resistance. If it stays over 271, then it may pull a SPA or another giant green candle is going to spawn in here. So AVT just woke up. She's about to run. She's about to run. Yeah, I wouldn't buy that green candle either. Giant green candles just screaming to steal your money. You got to be in before. Yeah, you guys are asking for a lot already. ABT after today, what did it do? Didn't I cover ABT this morning? Did like 3 updates before I left. ABT. Oh yeah, ABT did wake up here. Another one. It's that initial little move and then doesn't have to, but potentially it's about to spike up real good here. But it is over the 181 there. 60% candle is loading. The momentum, you can see, just shifted above 50. Yeah, arc block is bullish right now. What's up, Alex? How's it going? Injective, says Provid. What's the... Wait, hold on. What's the indicator on the right-hand side? You talking about this over here? Only indicators are on the chart here. This is just information. What'd you say there? I'm missing stuff here. The CTX is going. Let's see here. Yeah, CTX is running. Damn, that's nice. Really nothing to say on, damn it, CTX. She woke up and she's moving. What am I looking for here? Oh. Another 15% to resistance at 374. See if it can get bullish over that. But yeah, he had another one that woke up from the formation down here, calling the bottom on it. Which is not hard because we are pretty much in a bull market. I don't know if we're early or not. You just pull it over. Go to the side of the screen and just pull it. Then you pull it all the way out. Or maybe it's this hide tab. There's a tab somewhere to unhide it and hide it, and then you could drag it around. But yeah, CTX is another one here. Deck screener. Flipcoin says he needs to look at SNEC. SNEC doing something? Oh yeah, this is that Cardano one. Are they? Did you guys see they're making XRP coins now? Meme coins somehow, somewhere. I have no idea how to look at them. This right, SNEC? I thought SNEC was a lot older than this. Oh yeah, that was 2 months ago. Damn, SNEC is going to the moon. When did we look at this last? Did we look at it here and it just went to the moon? Oh my god. Hopefully you made some money on this. She blew through the high, the new high. Jesus. I should have just bought SNEC, huh? That's unbelievable. Should have just bought it when we talked about it. This thing just did a 3x. Yeah, hit resistance right here at 498. Smacked right into it right now. 2618 came into play. Hell, if you can get over 49, then another 35% move to 66. Not bad. Damn, SNEC went to the moon. Not a huge move, but still, anyone would take a 2 to 3 or 4x. ALGO looks good. ALGO is my favorite. Yeah, I wanted to get in on ALGO so bad, and I missed out. PNG daily higher lows. It's good, right? Yeah, we'll go back there in just a moment. Someone said something else. Nero ETH. Well, Turbo hit 10 cents. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know if I'm spelling this right or not. Oh, what did I put? Come on. Computer's acting real slow. Which one was it? This one? Yeah, this thing went all the way up. Damn, did it drop since we looked at it? Oh, that's where we last looked at it. Yeah, it's sitting on support at the 144 at 16.5 here. It's going sideways. So the markdown, the consolidation, and it's about to go up again. As long as you hold over 16.5, 18.2 is the price to beat. You can see it's just getting squeezed down here. And then if this thing runs up to the high, the top of the fib, then a 240% move, so about a 3.5x. Doesn't look bad. The overall chart looks good. Higher highs, higher lows. Can't get better than that. Yeah, it's going completely sideways at the moment. Yeah, I wanted to put a big bag into ALGO, but things went a different way. The second one. Is this not the right one? This is nearer on Ethereum. Yeah, the chat is lagging. Watch and listen. The one that's 0.7 cents. Okay. Yeah, why do they make more than one coin? It's just so... Oh, this one. Yeah, we looked at this one too. Oh, this one looks good. We're pointing out the bottom here. Yeah, this thing looks good. This thing looks primed and ready to go, in my opinion. Let's see, put it on log. Let's pull this over. Yeah, it's just bouncing around going sideways. But if it's going to do something, it could always go vertical like SNEC, I guess. Let's see. What am I looking for? But you can clearly see it's got some sort of a trend going here. Yeah, this could be it. I don't know. It's over the 382. It's on an uptrend. And it's sitting right on the, what is that, the 0.5. So as long as you stay above, what is that? 6.7. It should be good to go and bounce off of the trend line here. And then once it breaks the downtrend that's clearly in play on top of here, then it's really going to start moving once it breaks the market structure here. But yeah, not a bad looking chart. I like this chart here. It's just coiling up, and it's about to springboard to the upside. Yeah, that's a good looking chart. LCX is a good project, or a solid project. Hoping it hits at least $3 to $5. Let's see here. What'd you say? Let's see here. Yeah, CTX is moving. I'm trying to catch up what you guys are saying. FET, ASM, and Injective. Let me go to Injective first. Yeah, not in a bad spot either. It just broke structure. broke the downwards structure in play. It had the same thing going on here that a lot of things have. Just like we saw on CTX and many others, AVT, SPA. These things are waking up again. How long is this going to last? I do not know. Almost 100% move to the next big resistance at 59 on injective. And then an injective on the high to the low here. Let's see. Yeah, you're hitting right on the 618. So that's the official move over point over the 618 at 31. So as long as you're holding, what is that, 26.94, 31 is your price to beat, 32 is your price to beat, pretty much. And then it should start moving a lot higher. The only one I remember is FET. Yep, FET's in the same spot. It looks exactly the same. But yeah, FET broke over 152. So this could signal she's about to start moving, especially off the pattern here. The overall chart is very bullish, and then now this formed. Now you're over, and now it's time to go. Oh, this marker, I swear. Damn, come on. But yeah, the next resistance, as long as you're over 152, is an 80% move. 80% up to 276 here, so it could have a decent spike up soon. If it's going to repeat what it's been doing with the market structure here, then it'll come up here and make a higher high. Damn, this thing's about to do a 4x to complete the mission here. Up to 650 almost. But yeah, that looks like what it's going to do soon. I mean, these are weekly candles, so it could just do what it's been doing. But yeah, not looking bad at all. Peak, yeah, I was going to look at Peak. I was going to do a video on it, but I didn't get around to it. ASM. SPA is the new Bitcoin. SPA is the new Bitcoin, he says. Oh, what am I on? Is ASM moving? I think it was moving last time we looked at it. Oh, no, it wasn't. Oh, this is the one that was in the little pattern. Yep. Oh, yeah, someone was asking, should they stay in ASM? I don't remember who that was, but she's officially breaking out now. If it can get through 4.3, that's a 20% move. May have a decent spike up on this one also to 6. Unless it's going to pull a SPA and just have a giant candle spawn in. But yeah, 4.3 and then 6.6 here. 82% move coming in. And then ASM potentially to 69.70 cents, $1 billion market cap. A 19x on this one if you're going to hold that long. Well, what? Let's see here. Well, Rose and LCX reached $2. Yeah, we've been looking at SPA. LCX. It's the same in every update. I don't know if you watch the updates on the channel, but we don't really change them unless we get a new chart. Can LCX reach $2? Almost. I think it's going to reach this market cap here. 1272 new high, $1.60, a 5.5x to 1 billion market cap. 250, 3.6 billion market cap. A little over an 8x, 8.5x. Yeah, I don't see why not. And then Rose. I have no idea what Rose is doing. Rose sitting just under 10 cents here. Nice move. Nice curl up here. Yeah, this one's very bullish too. Once you break over 10, it may be off to the races. We'll see what happens. But can it reach $2? Well, the target we have here is an 8.7, almost a 9 billion market cap. Would give you $1.30 for a 13x. And if it hits $2, it'd be a 20x. But I always have to go look because I have to look up I got to know what the supply is out and the market cap. Rose, let's see. Rose is at a 647 million market cap. Okay. Yeah, I like what I see there. 8 billion. Yeah, Rose can hit $2. Why not? Of course. 20x on Rose. It's got a lot of coins out, 67%, and just under a billion market cap. Well, just over a half a million, whatever. Half a billion, there you go. Yeah, we looked at SPA. SPA went to the moon. Not a large move. It's a large move, but it's not like a 10x move or anything. Yeah, there's nothing to say on SPA, but watch the support at 2.8. Let's see if it hit anything else. But as long as you're over the 0.5, good move in the right direction. It could fall back below it. Yeah, I didn't really do anything else. But yeah, it looks good here. Another one that completed the mission. It needed to make a higher high, and it just went after the formation here. But like I said, it's still bullish. There's no way to tell. There's really no way to draw anything else. This is pure speculation here. But 2.8 would be my price to hold. Next stop, if it continues to stay bullish here, this thing's going to run up to the 618 we've seen a lot of and do another 60% move to about 4.7. But the momentum is clearly up right now. You're sick of Rose. Yeah, let's see. CRV, says Eric. When's the last time we looked at CRV? Why do we have the chart on CRV such a mess? What is going on here? Why is that up there like that? All right, low to the high. Yeah, let me get this one off. Yeah, I don't know why this is all messed up for. Oh, we don't even have market caps on this chart. That's strange. I thought we looked at this not too long ago. Let's see what the high is at. 2021 high. I think we need to come to here to make it more accurate. Yeah, we'll leave it there. So CRV's over the 236 off of the formation. The bottom is officially in over 43. Once you get over about 75, then you're macro bullish. So as long as you're over 4.375 is next in a 52% move here. And then where's this one going to go? To a new high from the 2021 high. Let's see. So can this thing hit almost 20 bucks and do a 38x? We're never going to have 100 people in here. Not until we go bullish. I think VRA would be 20 cents. But let me go ahead and finish this one since we're on it. I didn't know we didn't have a good CRV chart. I guess because no one ever asked for it. Curve Dow. Yeah, this is an older one too. 600 million market cap, over 50% coins in, so that's not too bad. So 600 million market cap on. Can it go to 20 bucks? My computer's acting so slow today. Yeah. 24. That would give it a $24 billion market cap. Not impossible in a bull market. It'll be at $1 billion before we know it, and then if Curve Dow is something, if it's going to run actually, then could very well do this. Or it's going to hit a 786, hit about $3, 329, 330, then do about a 6x, and then that's where you get out. If I ever get into something, I think I'm going to get out when they pump like SPA, like when these things are pumping. Only certain coins I'm going to hold to higher targets, but I have to build up my money, which there is no money. But if I got a SPA move and then these other coins that look like they're waking up, they're about to move, I'm just going to keep rolling over into whatever coin is about to go next. Can you look at seller, please? What's up, Vinny? It's a sleeping monster. Seller. Yeah, we'll go look at seller, but people keep saying XCN. Yeah, XCN, you guys know, was another one that I was going to roll over into, but it's already taken off here. She done left me. Yeah, there's nothing really to say on XCN. It woke up from the bottom formation here, held support. She's getting stuck right now at the 0.5, so the price to beat is 2.1, and that should send you up to 2.5 up here, 2.5, 2.6, to try to put the macro bottom in here. But overall, very good looking market structure on XCN. Brett to $5. Yeah, someone said something else. So we got LCX. What's up, Yosef? But yeah, XCN, another one that left, but it looks good here. What am I looking for? Yeah, I got to get in first. I got to get something in first. My little 2000 Jasmine's not doing anything, which that's not nothing anyway. It's only 50 bucks. Starting on the bottom. Bottom of the barrel. And it's late in the game. Yeah, seller, the same exact thing's going on with it. So hopefully you guys have been buying these coins and making some money now. We're going up. We've been talking about it for months. The same bottom formation put in. So bullish on everything. Do we have market caps? Yeah. What did you say seller's going to hit? Yeah, I just need, well, I want to hold Jasmine to $1. I'm just going to accumulate Jasmine and hold it, but I got to get something else started in the market. I got to start rolling over some money. No more gambling on the gamble plays, because that didn't work last time. I just need like 500 bucks. Go find a coin that's still sitting down here like this that hasn't moved yet or is about to move, and I'm just gonna pile into it, do a 3x or so. We've been seeing it lately, 2 and 3x moves. Just turn that 500 into 1,000, 1,500, and then put that into something else that hadn't moved, and then I'll be back in the game. But seller here is going to hit a $2.7 billion market cap and hit almost 50 cents. That's the big question. About a 23x, 24x from today, where it just woke up. As long as you're over 1.7, 2.7's the price to beat over the 382. And then when you hit the 0.5, there's potentially heavy resistance here. So you could have this thing do it with what a lot of things have done, or they just wake up, spawn in a giant candle, they get stuck, and then they come back down until further notice. But yeah, not bad for a 24, 25x. Jasmine to 4 cents. Yeah, I think it's going to hit 5 cents soon, as soon as it gets through 3. I think Jasmine's going to hit $1. But if I just build up a small Jasmine bag and get, I know that's not small, but anything, 20,000 coins, 50,000 coins, I'll just hold that to $1, and then hopefully have more money into something else, like I just said, to where I can buy something that's not moved or I think it's about to move, because we've been seeing it everywhere lately. These bottom formations, the bullish patterns, and things are starting to move up now. Myro. Yeah, I see you saying Myro and something else. I don't know why the pen was out. Yeah, Myro's not looking bad. It's just completing the downwards mission here. It's making higher highs and higher lows until it decides to start going to the moon here. But, you know, a lot of things aren't at that point yet. So it looks like you're still going to drop about 11%. But it's still holding structure, still curling up here. Pulling back, nothing to worry about. It's normal. So 9.5 is the price to hold, and then get back over 12 here to be bullish again. But not a bad looking chart. Myro, someone said, what'd you say? But Myro, if Myro can hit $1 billion market cap, $1.5 billion, $1.50, $1.60 would be a 14x. I don't know where Myro's going. Where do you guys think Myro's going to end up? $1 billion market cap? A 10x almost to $1. Hell, it may go way higher than that. But the chart doesn't look bad. SUKU will fly in the next few days. 1 billion. Okay. SUKU will fly. If Jasmine hits 30s, I am out. Yeah, it's definitely going to hit that. Definitely. $1 Jasmine is crazy. Yeah, but I believe it, so it's going to happen. Jasmine's going to save me. Yeah, there was another one you said. Myro. Oh, Layer AI. But I'll be home all day tomorrow. I'm just going to do updates and just going to stream. Today's just going to be a streaming day tomorrow. I mean, I have nothing else to do. Layer AI. Come on now. When did we look at this last? Not a bad looking chart here. It's got that same double bottom. Once you break over the 786 at 1.9, pretty much 2 pennies, it could be off to the races once it breaks this market structure here. But it's in the same spot. This is what I'm talking about. This is one that hasn't done ran yet. There's more upside and less downside because it is curling up here. The market structure is beautiful here. So once this thing off of the double bottom with the higher low spikes over 2 pennies, it may have a large candle spawn in. And then that's where I'll keep rolling over my money into these plays, but they're slowly leaving. You can see this one could easily do 130, 140% move before it wants to pull back. And that's what we've been seeing all over the place. But Layer AI looks good here. And then where's this one going? I guess to the top. Top of the fib at the 4236 at 368, potentially 370. No way. Is that really going to do a 216x to a 658 million market cap? Is that possible? Now I got to look. I mean, guess they have really bad circulating supply. Layer AI. $40 million market cap. 80% of the coins are out. Damn, where's Layer AI going? Even if you hit $1.45, you're still getting an 86x. Jesus. Come on, my thing's stuck. So this thing launched and went completely sideways. It has never had a giant run yet. Wait, when did this come out? In 2023? So this is going to be its first bull run? Is that correct? I got to go back over to the chat. Yeah, is Layer AI going to do this? This could be a real good play. I have to look into Layer AI. Do they have a good community, a big Twitter, a decent website? A Layer AI for the win. Anything in crypto is possible. Yeah, we're going to be surprised at the coins that actually do the 100x's or hell 80x's. Hell, decent run here. If it only goes up to 30 cents, getting a 19, 20x potentially. Where do we have this drawn from? Oh, the high to the low. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. We'll look at it again tomorrow or the next day, and it'll be pumping to the moon. $89 in 2019 turned into 240K. Damn. Yeah, I know it's possible. It's just getting in the market is the tough part at the moment. The reason I bought the Jasmy on, because I have $50 accumulated over just getting points on crypto.com. So I just figured, you know what? It's sitting in Crow. It's just Crow coin. Leave the $50 on Crow or just start buying in on Jasmy, because you can't pull that money out. You have to have $100 or more to pull money out of crypto.com. So it's just stuck there. We got Nina for 5. I appreciate that. Nina for the win. The first super chat of the night. Can you please check Elixir and Sailor for Alex? Oh, this is Alex's wife. I appreciate that. Happy Thanksgiving to you too. I appreciate the 5. Elixir and Sailor. Let me leave that on the screen so I don't forget. Am I spelling this wrong? What's going on? Or Axlar. I was spelling it wrong. Axlar. Damn, looks like we're looking at the same exact chart as we've been looking at all day. Yeah, it looks good here. Just made the higher high. It's over the 786 at 88. Very good looking chart here. Higher highs, higher lows. It's pulling back at the moment to just pretty much back test it. But it's in a good spot. It looks good here. These things are curling up to go to the moon, I guess. Yeah, high to the low, you're over the 382. 0.5 is coming up, so $1 and then one. Well, no, I wouldn't even count that. $1 and then up to $1.30. But it just simply came up to keep the market structure in play. Maybe get a 40% candle once it hits down on the 786 and bounces. And how high is this one going to end up going? I don't know if we looked at it last time. Let's move that. So a 5 billion market cap on this one to $6.20. Not a bad move. 6.5x to a 5 billion market cap. Question is that possible? A lot of these coins I have no idea what they do, what they are, so it's I guess I need to start looking into it. Quit being so lazy. But this one is almost at an 800 million market cap. 73% of the coins are out. Oh yeah, I can hit that easily. And if it goes higher, maybe it hits $10. And you get a 10x to 10. I don't know what your target is for it. But yeah, it looks bullish here. Buy in and hold. Get your 6x and then rotate. And then you said Sailor. It's a game of patience and holding and luck. I think more so it's patience. Sailor, what is this thing doing? What the heck is this thing doing? Let's see. It's trying, but it's failing to get over the 236 at 27. If we pull up low to the high, oh yeah, it hit the 618. It's over that. I mean, it's doing nothing here. I guess you could even say an inverse head and shoulders. You can see that here. So once you get over the 236, you may have a nice move up. Yeah, we're not even going to get that technical. Yeah, it's simply coming back down to the 0.5 area. So this 19 level's been holding like a trooper here after that one dip down, but inverse head and shoulders doesn't look bad. So once you break over back over 2.2, she's bullish again, and 2.7, you're extremely bullish. And then you may have this thing run up, but it is holding very good, strong support down there in a bullish pattern. So what was that? I didn't even look. And then 5 pennies is a 382. That's your price to be bullish. 135% move coming. And then kryptonite here, Sailor. 100 million market cap, 786 is a decent move. Almost a 13x from today. But there's your rollover. When this thing gets up to about 8-9 pennies, sell for 3.5, 4x, 3.5x, and then roll over into something else that hasn't moved yet. That's still like this. But yeah, I appreciate the super chat there. It's an A1 project, connect with XRP and others. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to have to look into it. I mean, I want these coins to wait for me. We got flip coins for the $10 super sticker. I appreciate that a lot, my man. Always in here with the support. Not a problem, my man. Appreciate you being here every day. How high can ZK Sync, and SEI go? I think I just did an SEI video. Is SEI going to $10? Is that what people say? I appreciate the super sticker though, Flip. How high can ZK Sync go? I know we've looked at that one before, but I do not remember anything about the chart. It's on Coinbase, of course. What the heck is going on here? Damn, when's the last time we looked at this one? Or have we ever looked at this one? Wait, what am I spelling here? Maybe we have a different chart. Maybe we started that one, but then... No? Alright, we'll just wait. Come on now. It was right below it the whole time. That's unfortunate. Alright, so this one doesn't look bad at all. This thing's also curled up like everything else right now. I mean, the whole market to me, after the bottom, no matter what coin it is, where we got that formation, we're curling up here. We're going to look back on this and, you know, the curl up's going to last probably a little longer, but then everything's just going to have giant green candles. If it's going to run. There's so many cryptos out there now, there's no telling what's going to run and what's going to be a dud. This one to a new high, 2 billion market cap to 56 would be a 3x. Let's see, we got to have a higher target here. Damn. What is your price target on this one? Up near $1. I don't know what this one is or does at all. We got 36 people in here, 28 on YouTube, 8 on Twitter. How's it going over on X? Don't forget to hit the like button, everyone. I don't want to put you in timeout. What am I looking at here? What are we looking at? We are looking at ZK. Yeah, I don't know what this one is. ZK Sync on Coinbase, 657 million market cap. Only 18% of the coins are out. I don't have any idea what they're doing with the coins. You'd have to look that up yourself. If they're going to release them before this thing goes to the moon, then you could have a problem. But yeah, it could easily hit 2 billion. Gonna hit 250. Let's see here. I got too many tabs open again. Too many tabs. Trying to hurry and get this done. What did I say? $2? 250. 9 billion market cap. We'll see what kind of damage that is. It's more like a 9.1, but we're just going to put a 9 billion. From the current supply, 250. So if it can reach that, you'll get a 14x from today. What's up, Het? He says, what's going on with Well? SEI. Yeah, I did an update on SEI. Yeah, there's a lot of good coins we're looking at. We haven't looked at a lot of the Dex Creator coins lately. Like, we used to look at tons of them, but I guess you guys are all making money on them, so you don't need to look at them anymore. But yeah, SEI is bullish here. It looks good. Broke out of the potential pattern here that we've had. Just a simple pullback and a move up from it. It's over the 618, so how high can it go? Can it go to 19 bucks? So are all these new ones, SEI, SUI, can't think of anything else, but these newer coins, they could very well be the play this cycle. SEI. I'm trying to get my screen to load. It's acting up again. Oh no. Oh, now I gotta check my phone. Yeah. Oh man. That is so... okay, so what are we looking at? SEI, 2.6 billion market cap. So yeah, I don't know where SEI is going. I think I heard people say 10 bucks. So maybe it hits here, 1050, 15, 16x, 36 billion market cap. Not impossible in a bull run, I would say. Let's see here. We got Vinny for 5. I appreciate that. He says, "Hi, bro. Can you please see what's going on with Pond and XYO?" Yes, we can. I appreciate the super chat. XYO, since I know we have a chart for it. Oh, XYO is bullish. See, this is what we talked about earlier. These coins sitting on the bottom formations, or they already pumped and now they're about to pump again. So this thing's in a very bullish setup here. She may be getting ready to go very soon. Fueling up the rocket. So this thing can blast right through the 382, 16% move, blast through a penny, and potentially come all the way up to the 0.5 here and do a 70% move soon to a penny and a half. Not a bad setup here. XYO looks good where it is right now. Holding up very well. Yeah, and if you go that low to the high, you're over the 382 at 8.1, so you're bullish over 8.1. 8.1. But yeah, XYO's in a good spot right now. And then how high is XYO going to go? What is our targets? $2.7 billion market cap. Up to 21 cents, 20 cents. You can see is a good 23.5x. But yeah, it looks bullish right now, like it's about to pop off. Pond. I don't remember the last time we looked at Pond. Let's see here. Pond. Nah, Pond looks good too. Jeez. And we don't have a chart on Pond. How's that possible? Where's our chart? Have I never covered Pond? That's I don't know. I didn't know we never covered Pond before. High to the low, it's over the 236 here. Broke the downtrend and she's starting to take off. Over 1.5, so a penny and a half. That was it. This is one of the ones that tried to hold the formation, but it dipped down one final time in a downtrend, and then that was it. Almost hit the 786 as you can see there, and bounced up. Needs to get over 19.9, which it is right now. Hold over that, you're bullish, and that's going to send you up to the macro 382, 236 to be even more bullish over 2.7. But macro-wise, it's bullish short-term here, but you need to get over the 0.5 to be bullish on this at 4.3, break this high from back here, and then you can scream to the moon at some point. And then let's see where it's getting stuck here. High to the low, right above the 0.5 at 19.8. So it looks like as long as you're above that 20, or 2 pennies rather, you may be good to go here. 2.3 is the price to beat, and that other price. There's so many levels you can draw, but it's bullish right now. It looks good. I appreciate the super chat. Let's move down. Jasmine just crossed 0.26. Yeah, it needs to cross 3 pennies. I need to double my Jasmine bag. They're both at max supply. Okay, then yeah, if that's the case, that's even more bullish on them. Yep. What's up, Nick? Well and Gary and Degen, if I remember. Well and Gary and Degen. I appreciate the 199, Vinny. He says thank you. I appreciate that. Damn, now my mind went blank again. Degen, something else and something else. Oh, well. What is well doing? Don't tell me Degen's breaking down. No, it's holding up still. Every time we look at Degen, there's nothing to say. As long as you're holding the 618 here at 17, the overall chart is extremely good looking here. It looks bullish as hell. Just waiting for the next leg up. And that will be the first resistance at 3.1, 70% move. And then maybe it spikes up here. Maybe a lower high and then a pullback again. So this thing could be getting ready. If it's going to complete the market structure here, it needs to make a higher high. So you're going to have a good spike up above the 786 here. Could be a 2 to 3x coming on Degen. But yeah, it's in a good spot. It's holding support. What else did we say? Degen. Oh yeah, well. What is well doing? Yeah, well's holding up too. But yeah, it's holding, or it held the macro 618 at 5.6. Got a little bounce. It's back above the 236 at 6.3. So low to the high. This thing is still bullish here to push up. And yet again, just a simple pullback. And let's see if this thing can make it up to the 786 here. 80% move loading. But those are your supports to watch. As long as you're above 5.6 and 6.3, this thing's good to go right now. And then we can even take it a step further, smaller time frames. High to the low, you're above the 382, so you're high to the low bullish over 69. Hit the 618 on that candle, so that's the price to beat. To confirm that little downwards move is over. Let's see here. Oh, we're an hour in already. It is Thanksgiving, so I wasn't expecting a whole bunch of people to come in here. Gari Network, that was the other one. Gari. I appreciate the words, Nick. I appreciate you being here. Gari. What is Gari Network? Yeah, Gari had a nice move here. Where was the last time we looked at it? Back here, I guess. So yeah, potential bottomed out, and she ran a little bit. So the question is the bottom in on Gari? Double bottom here looks good. Damn, yet another one high to the low. 618 came right into play. Smacked right into it at 2.5 and pulled all the way back down. But as long as you can stay over 9.9 here, pretty much 1 penny, then the bottom short term is in here for this thing to hold and maybe bounce back up. But it had a decent little run. And then, of course, the macro bottom in over 2, bullish over 4.7. And then the 618 is your breakout point. That would give it 100 million market cap. That's a decent run there. A 618 retracement on Gari Network in a bull market, 100 million. That's a 14.5, almost a 15x. Can it do that? And then a 257 million market cap to a 37x to, well, 44, 45 cents. If it's going to hold there on that double bottom, it could be a good play. Treehouse says Fox. Fox. Oh yeah, Fox was the other one that's about to move. Fox, everyone pile in. She's about to blow. Yeah, and a very good setup here on Fox. As you can see, strong move up, consolidating in the pattern. Bullish over the 382 at 5.8. Looking good here. It may spike up, but then it may come right up here and slam right into resistance, the trend, and the 0.5 at 14. So we could have a good 125% leg up here and then hit resistance and pull back again. But that would be the predicted move, I would say, out of the pattern after the strong move there, measured move, whatever you want to call it. But Fox, how high is it going to go? Fox to a 2 billion market cap. New high at 350 would do a 56x. I don't have no idea what the supply is on Fox either. Let's see here. The Fox Trucking Company. Let's see what's happening with them. Almost a 40 million market cap. Oh, excuse me. Damn, come on. Oh, my screen went white. Yeah, I'm trying to get my screen to come up. Damn. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but we're down. Hello, the mic's not even working. I'm just gonna wait here a second. I don't know what's happening. Come on now. Yeah, it may be good on y'all's end, but I can't. Okay. Maybe it fixed itself now. I typed in Fox and then it went to zero. All right, so Fox has almost 40 million, 62% of the coins. So Fox here. All right, that would be your moonshot, 350, 2 billion market cap. Not impossible, but I would never hold that high, no matter what it was. I learned in the past, do not marry the coins because you'll get wrecked. So a $286 million market cap to the 786 at 46.47 is a 7.5x. Maybe it comes up to $1. Maybe it makes a higher high or lower high. 17x. Maybe it does a 20x and comes up to about $1.30. $1.40, $1.50, 25x. But I do think these are good targets in a bull market if you're looking to roll over. Let it do a 7x and then get out and run. The Fox Trucking Company. Yeah, I saw a truck one day on the Texas highway. I don't remember where it was, but it had the same exact Fox logo, and it was, I don't know if it was called the Fox Trucking Company. It was Fox Trucking or something, but it surprised me because it was the same exact Fox symbol. And I think it was blue just like it. But yeah, this little consolidation pattern is always bullish. The price, it pumped and now it's just kind of cooling off and just accumulating in the bullish continuation triangle pattern here. And the fact that things are moving up right now, I don't see why this thing would not spike out of here. Hell, it may even hit the 382 and that's it, but it's still going to spike out of here in my opinion. But we've seen that a lot lately. At some point, we're going to be wrong, of course, because we're catching the bottoms, we're catching the patterns, we're catching the structure, and now we're seeing it real time. Things are starting to run. We just saw, what was it? SPA just went to the moon, had a giant candle spawn in. I think so. I think they're ready. Not financial advice. But we'll see what happens. I mean, we looked at patterns on, I'd have to go through the chart. What did we look at recently? You know, alien base had a triangle pattern. It started going to the moon again. Degen and the bull flag pattern. I mean, they're just bullish patterns. The chart's pretty much screaming at us, hey, I'm about to go. You guys better pile in. It depends on the coin too, because we looked at, I think it was Grape. Grape coin was down in the dirt at the bottom. It was trying to form something, and then I don't know what the Grape chart's doing. I don't even care. But yeah, this looks good to me. I mean, if it comes down and you break down below and you break the pattern and you come back down to the 236 at 4.7, then of course it's probably not playing out. But right now, weekly chart, if we go down to the smaller time frames, you can clearly see the triangle pattern is formed from the uptrend and the downtrend here. So it's making higher lows here. And the price is just getting squeezed. So once it gets squeezed too much, that's when it pops off. So it still may wait another week, and there's no telling. But we keep covering these things, and then the next day you guys are saying, oh, it's going to the moon. Of course it is. Everything's leaving. We are early, but we are still at the bottom no matter what, even though, yeah, I know what you mean. It's still early on. Things are just waking up here. I really believe what you're saying there. Q4 of 2025. Sector's on a delay. He said we can hear you. Hello. How come Fox won't hit an all-time high again? I don't know if you think it can hit a 2 billion market cap. I don't even know if this is the real high. This is the Coinbase chart. But a lot of people use Coinbase to buy Fox, I would imagine. So I imagine you guys are getting on here and you're drawing your, whatever you're drawing, support, resistance, fibs, whatever. I like the fibs because the fibs kind of tell you the future prices these things are going to get stuck at, like, to a degree, but sometimes it's pretty accurate. We've been seeing it a lot where things are hitting these levels perfectly, just like right here. Smacked into the 382, and now it's forming a bullish pattern. It's gassing up here. It needs the strength to get through 8.7. But if you think Fox can hit 350 and hit a 2 billion market cap, I mean, does it have to go that high? No, like I said, it could hit $1.50. Not everything's going to do that. Not everything's going to go to new highs. Math token. I want to see previous ones with the same pattern. Yeah, there was AOS and Degen and so many from the past. I can't even remember now. But lately, it's what we've been looking at. Like we just looked at Degen. Yeah, we were looking at Degen in the bull flag pattern back here. Over the 382 holding. And I probably joked around and said, pile in, it's about to go. And she went, and she's holding support. Bull flags and triangle patterns seem to always be bullish. But yeah, PNG, AOS have the same exact chart, so I don't know if I need to look at both of them. But yeah, AOS is moving out of the pattern here. The large, not so bullish on this, but we've been holding, so it looked good, and it's moving. Triangle pattern back here over support, and then it took off. It's kind of that simple sometimes. I mean, it's not easy, but the way we've been calling it lately, if I had the money in the market, then I would be able to start making some damn money now. Rolling over. As soon as it moves 2 to 3x, I'm out. Treehouse, what other coins you hold? I hold Jasmine only. I only have 2,000 Jasmine on Crypto.com wallet because it had $50 on there that I couldn't get out because you have to have 100 to move anything around. So it's stuck over there until it makes its way up to $100. Let's see here. We got 40 people in here. Welcome in, everyone. But yeah, what is PNG doing? PNG. PNG. She's still holding up, not doing anything. She's pumping a little bit here, but it has to get over 30. That's what we've been watching forever on Pangolin. But yeah, just like AOS did, it moved out of here. So I'm expecting Pangolin, same exact chart, to do the same exact thing. Before we know it, there's going to be a spike up on PNG here. If it does an AOS, we may get a 70% move, 75, or it may pump up here and then kind of cool off a little bit. And if it's going to, perform like the past, this thing just goes and does almost a 10x when it goes bullish. Maybe that's why it's waiting so long. Still fueling the tank. We got West Bend for 2. Can you look at Canto 8 million market cap on Chronotech time? Canto, is that on Deck Screener? I appreciate the 2. Oh, excuse me. What are we looking at? Oh. But yeah, Nero. Not a bad looking chart. My mind just went blank again. Canto. Canto on time. I don't even know what time looks like. Wrapped Canto. Yeah, someone let me know what I'm looking for. I'm going to look over on the other thing. Canto on MEXC. What's the price of it right now? All right, looking at Kanto, I guess this is the right one, sitting at 2 pennies. Potentially just bottomed out. It has that same bullish formation. Yeah, I don't know what this one is, but it does have that bullish formation we've been watching everything move out of. So if that is the bottom on Kanto, like I said, whatever this one is, $12 million market cap, 60%, 61% of the coins are out. So a 12 million market cap on this one. First, let's see what kind of damage it can do. But yeah, it has that same formation, so it could, if people can buy this thing, then it's gonna start running. 15.5x to 32 to a 786 retracement. If it has a decent run out of this bottom formation and the curl up here, which I don't see why it wouldn't, because we've been following this on everything and everything's starting to pop off. So once you get over 2.9, the next stop is 5.5 here and 167% move. Once this thing wakes up. Let's see here. Kanto's at a 12 billion market cap. Where can this thing go? Speed this up. 270. That's too high. That would give you a $1.6 billion market cap from a 12 billion market cap. That is a very large move. Yeah, that'd be over 100x, pretty much 130x. So more likely it'll hit these targets here, 9, 15, and 30, 32. But could be a good play. It's got the formation we love. And then, yeah, to 32 cents, 33 cents. Yeah, that's more like it. $200 million market cap. Time on Coinbase. At least 200 now. He says time on Coinbase. Chronotech, I wonder. That's probably what it is. Yeah, it hasn't been too long since we looked at this one. It's moved up. Same formation we just looked at on everything in Kanto. It held the very small uptrend there. So once you get over 31.80, the bottom is in. And then over 55, you're bullish. And then this one to a 786 retracement, 182, 257, 260 is going to give you a 10.5, close to an 11x. But yeah, this one's still on the bottom. Let me see. Yeah, and you could say on this one also, after the move up and then the move down, damn, that is the wrong tool. But you see what I'm getting at. It's simply consolidating, going sideways. Price is slowly getting squeezed here. So this one also could be getting ready to go. Yeah, it's sitting. What is that, a dot, or is that the price? 23.70. So yeah, it's sitting over the 382 in the pattern, so it is bullish right now. So if you push through 26.80, that'll confirm that this thing's moving up. But yeah, not a bad setup on this one either. It looks bullish right now. You said it should be $200 by now. What's up, Elixio? Yeah, Kata. Yeah, wasn't Kata going? I don't remember. We looked at it last night. Yep. Another one off the formation. It's over the 236 here. Damn. Yeah, it's just another one that curled up. And that's not what I want. As long as you're over the 236, I would say it looks good here. 111. You're at 119. Next stop up to be bullish, which if it breaks over the 382, it's going to break the previous high, as you can see on the chart, over 208. 78% move, and then she's in real good shape at that point, but it looks good here. And then Cadena to a 3.4 billion market cap to 1160 would be at 9x. Jeez. Your opinion about time because of total coins in circulation. Let's see here. Okay, total coins in circulation. That's very bullish. I appreciate that. Bless you. Yeah, I think time's going to do good. John Doe says Algorand. What's up, John Doe? Yeah, Algo's one of the ones that I really wanted to get in on. It left me behind. One day I'll make it. Oh, Algo's on the other list. Let's see here. Yeah, ACH, everything looks exactly the same if it's just a regular coin. Some of these, I gotta clean up these charts. Oh, damn, Algo's still going. Yeah. Algo was down here in the formation. You guys know this. We talked about it all the time. Now she's running. It's over the 382 at 33. Can't believe I missed Algorand. What a world. Man. Jeez, I'm sorry about the coughing. Algo, the moonshot. It's a 20x now. Yeah, see, this thing has been running from the bottom down here. So if you bought in down here when we've been talking about Algo and you're going to hold, then you got some good targets here. Like I said, it was once, what, a 60x up to there. Now it's a 20x. How much of a difference that makes from buying the bottom to buying the green candle. Because if you didn't buy the bottom, not financial advice, but I wouldn't pile in here. No way. You done missed it. 75 for about a 2x. 11 billion market cap to 135 for a 3.5, almost a 4x. But when we were looking at this down here, these were these decent gains and decent runs. But she's going right now. As long as you're over 3.349 is the next price. So if it stays bullish, next resistance is another 38%, 39%. That's not exactly accurate. Let's move this down. About a 40% move. Yeah, ALGO. Hopefully you're right, Alex. You sold your ALGO. But yeah, that's going to be my plan too. If I ever get back in the market, when something pumps like this, which I wanted to put a decent bag in ALGO, but it's too late for that now. But just an example, when I get that move here, it's time to get out, roll over into something else that's still in this pattern down here and not quite broken out, which we've covered a lot of them already. Yeah, get your little 3.5x and get out. Not financial advice. Or at least take profit and then let the rest ride, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's still bullish right now. Vara update, he says. Let me put Vara on the screen and then I gotta go get something to drink. Or this coughing's never gonna stop. Yeah, we look at Vara and until Vara gets over the macro 236 to prove the bottom is in to me, I can't be bullish on it yet. But if you want to gamble and buy the bottom, could be the bottom. I mean, it's trying. Come on, I hate when this thing pops up. But yeah, it needs to get over 3 pennies and stay over 3 pennies. But yeah, we'll look at it here in just a second. Let me go get something to drink. I'll be right back in about 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes. Hit the like button while you're here. Got 40 people in here. Appreciate that. Yeah, we'll get back into some coins in just a moment. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Make sure I covered the super chats. All right. All right, so Vara, what's up, fireman? But the only other thing we can do on Vara, it needs to get over that 236 to confirm the bottom is in. And it's just really doing nothing. It's going up, but it's not bullish anymore short term until it gets back over 269. And then we'll see if it can push up. But a lot of wicks, when it comes up here, people are just selling. But it's done that in the past, you know, a lot of large green wicks. But yeah, if VAR can establish the bottom here and get over that, then we can be bullish on it again for it to move up. SEI back in the green. What's up, LOL? Yeah, LCX. Did LCX get through? One getting stuck right at the 786. Yeah, I got stuck. It's to be expected though. When you see two large green candles spawning in here, or one large one, it's always more likely than not to have a pullback. It has to cool off. But yeah, LCX prediction. Where are we at on LCX? Depending on where you think this thing's going to hit, $1 billion market cap would be from where you are today off of the decent run, would give you a 5.5x on this thing still. And if it was down here where we were calling the bottom on the 618, about a 19x. But yeah, I got stuck at the 786 here. I honestly don't know how high LCX is going to go. 160, 250. If it can hit 250 and a $3.6 billion market cap, that's an 8.5x. And then short term, wrong tool. Short term to stay bullish to see if it's going to continue this move up. If I can get this to move, would be the 236, of course, on the much smaller fib on a smaller time frame, but we're just going to keep it here. 267 here, so 26. As long as you stay above 26, that could tell you it's going to push right back up, and it could very well form a bullish pattern here over the coming weeks or week, whatever it's going to be. And why'd I pull that up? Yeah, I know there's a lot I've missed. I'm trying to see. John says Palm AI. Oh, it's right there. Same thing. So why did LCX pump when these AI coins are pumping? Is that a coincidence? But yeah, this one came up, got stuck at the 786. I don't know why that's not accurate. Did we ever build a chart? Yes, we did. Yeah, just another one going up, hitting resistance. Yeah, as long as you're above the 618, you're bullish here to continue pushing 8.7. And then this one to the 1618 at 760 almost, 758. From where it is today, which it could drop a lot. 6.5x here on this thing. But if that was the top for now, it's going to pull all the way back. It could drop 23% and still be bullish over the 618236 here. Oh, so that's the target we got on here. I don't know if that's what you had in mind. Yeah, we looked at SCI already. Yeah, and I believe I just did an update on it, if I remember correctly. It looks bullish here. It looks good. It broke out of the pattern and did a double bottom W pattern, and it continued to run here. Still making higher highs, holding a steep uptrend. Little green candle spawning in here to get it moving. Yeah, we can sit here and pick at the price, but low to the high on the very smaller daily time frame here, as long as you're over 63, you're still bullish and holding here. 7.9 is the price to beat. Let's see here. Maybe it's going to be listed on Binance and get ready to sell. I don't know why it is, but when things get listed, that's it. If it's moving already, that's the end of the move. You never know if it's going to pump if it gets on a thing, but from experience, it's never bullish. Oh, this could be the case of they pull out the narrative to fit the chart. It's getting listed. Not the best looking one here, but you can clearly see what I'm about to say off of that large wick up. But if you ignore that wick and just look at the chart, oh damn, that's the wrong thing. You know, bullish triangle formation in play here, potentially. Doesn't have to be, but it doesn't look bearish right now, especially if you look at it here. You can see the triangle a little bit better. But yeah, she pumped up over the 236. Once you get over the 382 at 254, she's bullish, which may happen soon if this is going to be a pattern, which it looks to be in my opinion. So you may get a 19%, 18-19% spike up or right over the 382. So a strong move up, consolidate for a moment, and then blast through the next resistance level and hold. That's the plan. And then once it gets up to about a 2 to 3x, you sell, go find something that's not moving. That's my plan anyway, at some point. 9.5x to $650 million market cap new high at 2067 there. 3x up to the 786 retracement is very possible. So maybe it could be, you know, if you had the money, throw it in there, 3x it, and then do what you got to do. I appreciate you, Vinny. We'll see you later. Yeah, hopefully you had a good Thanksgiving today. Hopefully you and your family are blessed every day. I want you guys to make it, crypto and in life. I don't buy newly listed except Aerodrome. Yeah. Arrow. Yeah, I started to fall back into the trap of the coin with Arrow. Everyone was so bullish on it. It was making so much views on the channel here. I bought in, and we know the rest. Spa. Is Spa still going? Spell stuck. Oh, they're selling Spa. Oh no. But yeah, it did what it had to do, made a higher high here. And we're at 2 hours almost. Wait for more people to pile in here so we can end the stream. Did we pretty much look at everything? We looked at a lot. We looked at a lot of good coins. We always do. I think only one deck screener coin. What's up, Fireman? Already read that. SPA's extended time to sell and move to Fox, XYO, or Jasmy. I can't answer that. Oh, you said it's too extended. But yeah, that's my plan. That's what I'm going to do if I ever get in the market. Which we've been talking about these coins and they're finally running. So we're going to have to come up with some new coins, I guess. Or I am. Dymo took off. Jasmy looks so bullish. Yeah, we looked at Opal not too long ago. Damn it. Opal. I think I did an update on it and it did nothing. Oh yeah, Opal just bottomed. Yeah, this is another good one. Is this one on Coinbase? Not that I can buy it, but I can dream about it. What is that? But yeah, Opal. The pattern we like to see down here. Double bottom with a higher low. It looks like it's just about to break out and start running. So yeah, it's going to be another one. We're going to come on here tomorrow. Someone's going to say, did you see Opal? But Opal, low to the high, high to the low rather. It's over the 236, so the short-term bottom off of the pattern here is confirmed over 7.5. You're up almost 17% on the week. So once you break the structure here, once it breaks through the middle here, just needs to push up a little higher, bullish over 10, and then you may have a giant candle spawn in. I say a giant candle, but I don't even remember if we measured it or not. Yeah, decent move here soon. 73% move, and it may spike above that to get over that and then pull back. So there's no telling, but it does look very good right now. And then Opal, where's Opal going to go? There's no way it's doing a 15 billion market cap. Get that out of your head. To 30 bucks and do a 300x, 350x. I don't know what it is, but if something Opal that I've very rarely heard of, this is probably the second time. If it does that, then we're all rich, even if you got $50 in the market. But like I said, I really don't know what it is. $1.2 billion market cap to 250 is going to get you a 28.5, 29x. That's not bad. 618 retracement. That's all she's going to do. Still a decent move. A 12x up to a 530 million market cap. So $500 million market cap to $1 could be a good target on this one. Hold on, I gotta check my phone. Not gonna happen. Let's see. What do we look? Oh yeah, you need to load your bag a little bit more. Yeah, it looks to be putting in the bottom here. It looks good. I'll be happy with a 10x. Yep, me too. What's up, Mispa? Spell to the moon. Yeah, Spell's another one. Spell, Algo, XCN. You guys know this. Like a broken record over here. Yeah, it's right at the 236 here, but Spell's the one that off of the formation, it blew right through the previous trend, through the supports. Very good move here. Very good spot. Once you get over the 236 at 9.6 here, bottom is confirmed in macro, bullish over 1.8, and Spell's going to go to the moon. It looks bullish still right here. Just simply getting stuck at resistance. But yeah, Spell to a 786 retracement, 1.5 billion market cap, 10, 11x there. You sold your Spell today to buy ASM before the pump. Nice. So you said Zcash. Why do we not have a chart for this? But yeah, someone asked for Caspa. Damn it. Caspa's always bullish here for some reason. Put the bottom in. It's still just holding here. Needs to get over 158 to continue the move, but it looks like it's just consolidating here now. As long as you're over 14.5, 15.8's the price to beat. And it could come up all the way 68% move, 1272 off of the bottom and make a higher high here at about 25. Or it's going to make a slightly higher high like it's been doing, but you would think it would make a better move than that. But Caspa, I don't know. From what I see people making videos on Caspa, from what I see, I don't know what you guys see. $1, $5. But $5 would give you 125 billion market cap from the last time I checked, of course. And about a 33x. 50 billion market cap on Caspa to $2, 217 would be a 14.5x. You still think XCN will hit 5 to 20? Trying to find. I thought we had a Z. Let's see here. Yeah, ALGO, man. Oh yeah, someone said Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine's bullish here. I just don't have enough coins. That's what I said yesterday in the live stream. Because I bought a couple of coins, it's going to go up now, and then I'm going to have to pay higher prices for them. But yeah, it's right at the 0.5. It needs to get over 2.6 and then 3. Once you get over 3, it should send you up to 5. Finally get you bullish over the 382 on the macro here. But yeah, Jasmine looks real good here. Broke the downtrend over the 382, back tested, everything it needed to do. Didn't I see someone say Zcash? Why do we not have a chart for this thing? Yeah, Bitcoin Cash is still stuck. Excuse me. But yeah, ASM we looked at. ASM was in the pattern here, and now she's pumping. And someone just asked, I believe it was on the last night's live stream, they asked something about buying ASM or something else. They were both in bullish patterns. What was the other one? I wonder if it's moving. When will Litecoin pump like XRP? I have no idea. We got Dizzle Knob for 2. I appreciate that. Welcome. What's your take on XCN and how high? XCN once again, because the man paid me. XCN. But yeah, XCN, we already went over this. Once you get over 2.6, the bottom is in. It just woke up from the bottom here, held support very good. I wanted to buy in, didn't get a chance. The 382 is going to be heavy resistance. We can see the trend, and of course the 382 at 5.9. So it just, made a higher high. Once it gets over the 236, we may have a decent spike, 180%. Maybe 1 or 2 candles spikes you up to that 5.9 level, and then there'll be a pullback probably, just because of the heavy resistance. But yeah, it curled up and it's awake now. And then how high is it going to go? Someone said 5 to 20 cents earlier. I saw that. If it hits 5 pennies, 5.5, 1.7 billion market cap is a decent 27.5x. But this is why I always liked XCN, even though it's not on the bottom anymore. 10.5x up to 2 pennies. Then we had the 1 penny down here. Was a decent little move. Now it's only a 5.5x. Used to be that almost 10x if you bought down here when we were talking about it. But the moonshot on XCN, if you want to hold maybe your original position or a percentage up to 27 billion market cap, you can see that's a 421x. I don't think that's going to happen, but that's why it's called a moonshot, 88 cents. But to 20 cents, make a higher high. I wouldn't hold my old bag there, but could possibly do a 100x. 100x to 20 cents on XCN. Everyone pile in. But I would take a 786 28x. I don't even remember what is the... What is the supply on XCN here? 65 million market cap, 65%. So you got to take into account the market cap. If they're not going to dump XCN coins into the market in 2025, that's a little high from where you are right now. Not impossible. It is crypto. But that's why we have these other targets we've had from the bottom there. 0.05, 1 penny, 2 penny. And yeah, that's a pretty high move from where you are right now. But like I said, not impossible at all. But a 100x, if I had to say, I would say probably not. But I appreciate the 2. Yeah, there's different charts. Crazy Eye says, Coinbase says all-time high is 64, but that's a lie. I say 160. Yeah, Coinbase, all these different things have different information they're getting. We try to find the best charts we can here. You're all in on Litecoin. It was just OG Jerry on a different account. Where's my Litecoin chart? I think it's on the other. It's on the other list. I think. But you said, can it hit an all-time high? Well, the take I have, and I think some people agree with it, the older coins are probably good for 5 to 10x's in that range. So on this chart here, I don't know if this is completely accurate. This is the Binance chart. Like I said, there's many different charts, different things you can do. But on this chart here, you can see it's stuck right at the 382, so it is being respected at 98. Once you get over that, you're bullish. And then for this thing to hit a $58 billion market cap up to 780, it lines up with the theory. Pretty much an 8x on this thing to 58 billion. So yeah. LCX, yeah, we've looked at LCX multiple times already. LCX smacked into resistance. We were looking at it yesterday. It was sitting right on it. It did go a little above. Damn, wrong list. But yeah, PNG, until PNG gets over 30, there's no point. It's just disappointing people at the moment, doing nothing. But yeah, just like we said earlier on LCX, if I got this move on LCX, I'm out. Because when we were looking at it last, it was right on the 786. No idea if it was going to push through and hold. You can see it did push through a little bit. They made a slightly lower high, and then that was all she wrote. Now she's pulling back. Does it have to pull back? No. But the only other thing we can do, price to beat is 35. If you can push through that, you're still bullish. If we go low to the high, as long as you're over 268, you're still bullish. It seems to be holding something, probably another time frame if we pull this up, fit the narrative. Yeah, we can put ourselves right on the 236 and say 28. Bonk, please. ABT just dumps all day. Yeah, it'll go eventually. Davi says bonk, please. I got something flying around in front of me. Bonk. Yeah, bonk was another one. I haven't looked at it in a while. Is she coming back for me? No, it's still holding over the 1618. So you're still in good shape here. As long as you're over the 1618 at 40, we had to move up. Maybe it'll have another decent little run here. I thought it was going to have a huge move out of here, but I guess the larger the pattern, the weaker the move. Usually when the little tight patterns, that's when they move a lot. But over the time we were watching it, it held. It held the higher lows, and just now she's bullish here. Yep, 618, 236. It looks good here. How high is bonk going to go? I guess you guys got to tell me where you think bonk's going, but the measured move we've had on the chart up to 8 pennies, or no, that was 3 zeros. Eating a 0 to 3 zeros, 1 0 potentially, which it still could move. It just pulled back right now. 6.9 billion market cap and another 130% move. But the next target, 2272 at 3.6, $24 billion market cap would be almost an 8x. But just keep in mind, even though bonk is bullish here and push through, it is up a lot. So can it do another 8x here? I think it can, but I'm bullish on everything for some reason. What time will I stream tomorrow? No idea. Probably a little bit after lunch. Somewhere around in there. But I have no idea if LCX topped or not. The only thing we really look at when we look at these coins is if they're consolidating in a bullish continuation pattern. But right now it simply got stuck and it's starting to pull back. It could, of course, have another green candle spawn in here. But we said this earlier, when you got two giant green candles spawning in here, I mean, unless you're married to the project and holding it to the moon, hopefully you took profit here. But I think I mentioned that last night. If I was in LCX, the candle we were watching was right on the body here, just stuck at the 786 for a little bit. It did go higher, like I already said, probably 3 or 4 times already. But I would have sold then. A strong move like that, stuck at resistance, I couldn't help it. I'd get out. And now it's pulling back. But like I said, there's nothing on the chart really to indicate yet. There's not enough movement here. I guess if you went down to the 4 hour, you could say every time you see a pullback like this, it could potentially be a bull flag, a small bull flag pattern, and it's going to spike right back up. But once you get over 35, you'll confirm that. But right now, it's just kind of doing nothing, if you will. It's going sideways. Could be a bullish setup here. Like I said, I don't have a crystal ball. I have no idea. Excuse me. What's going on with Carrot? I don't remember what we were saying on Carrots. Oh, is Carrot in a bullish pattern? Let's see here. Oh yeah, Carrot's in this weird bullish pattern. I don't mean to call it weird, but you get the idea. It's in a very large. These are 3-day candles here. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. It's in the pattern. It's over the 382. Your macro bullish over 47, and depending on where you want to draw this at, wick to wick, candles, wicks, whatever you want to do, it could, hold up in this for a little while longer, as you can see there. But yeah, Carrot looks good. It's holding. It's holding the trend on the bottom, getting stuck at the top here, forming that pattern. So I would guess that it's probably going to have a spike up 42% to 69, maybe higher than that. Of course, if you take the measured move here, it could hit all the way up to the 786 out of this move and just do like SPA and everything else have been doing. Large candles spawning in here, so it could move up 86% from where it is. But it is pulling back at the moment. Nasana looks for another 100% move. What's up, Big Willie? He said, can we look at Bonk? Yeah, we'll look at Bonk. We just looked at it, but we'll look at it again for Big Willie. But yeah, Bonks, if we just, let me take this off, our box from the chart. Bonk on the 3-day candles here, it's just simply, it pumped up, it got over the 1618 finally, got it closed, and it's holding. So it's in good shape here. As long as you're holding over that, it's not going to fall back down into the pattern, which I don't think it will. And then you can see we also have the 236 low to the high, so over 4.4, you're bullish here, you're at 4.5. Little green candle starting to come in here. So we'll see if we get a bounce up. What do the weekly look like? Yeah, as long as you're holding over the 1618, it looks good. And then the price to beat on this thing, I guess, would be the high, but then, yeah, there's nothing really to draw. The only other thing is the 1618 to the 2272, unless we add in some more lines here. Which, so next potential stop up is eating a 0, 3 zeros 1, 130% move potentially once it moves out of this, or once it starts moving again. And then if you believe, it's going to hit a $24 billion market cap and do about an 8x to 3.6 there. No Sana. Is no Sana gearing up to go? Where did we have that one at? I just saw it. Yeah, no Sana doesn't look bad here. The formation, the pump up. And she looks bullish right now. And you could somewhat say, if you go by the top wicks here, or just the candles, or the smaller ones, yeah, another one here, and the setup to be bullish. It's over the 1414 at 340. So it could be getting ready for a breakout here. But not a bad looking setup. Previous highs of 52% move away, and then once you break that high, shouldn't really be anything stopping it from coming up to the 1618 unless we draw another one on the chart, high to the low. Let's see what we hit. Yeah, pretty much smacked right into the 618. And now it's consolidating. It's over the 1414. So once you break over 392, it's off to the races. You can see the 786 right above to make a higher high, break the market structure, and come up to about 580. Yeah, could have a 60% move very soon. Or 100% move, whatever you said. Yeah, the music's not too loud, is it? Oh, we got 55 people in here. How's it going over on X? I appreciate you guys coming in. 2.5 hours in. We looked at a whole bunch. He says, what is Carrot? Carrot's a gaming. I don't know if it's a gaming coin or a game. My computer's not responding. Come on. Oh, it's a gaming studio. Okay. Alex Becker's bullish on Carrot. Okay. I think you said that before. Yeah. So many things are forming the patterns, putting in the bottoms, getting little moves. I think right now is the prime time to be doing the little rollover thing. But it is what it is. Forgot about NKN. NKN's going to the moon too. But I'm not going to make a chart. We're too far in. Yeah, I don't like that at all. Someone said, let's see, what is that? Neon? What is Neon? Is that Neon EVM? This thing's gearing up to go also. Just curling up here. Yeah, it's got the structure, so let's move on. Someone said Wojak earlier. What is Wojak doing? Yeah, Wojak has an overall bullish chart. Higher highs, higher lows. Not the prettiest, but it still looks very bullish. Wojak to the moon. She's gone up since the last time we looked at her. Him, whatever. Yeah, Wojak, as long as you're above 0014, you're still bullish. Still could drop 19%. Which we say that, but then you can do it again. Go down to a smaller time frame and draw from that bottom. And you can say she's sitting over the 236 at 17. So as long as you're over 17, you're good to go here. Price to beat is 2.3. And Wojak to a 2.6 billion market cap. I don't know if that's possible. Is that possible? That's a decent 20x. Yeah, I think that's possible. I mean, this thing, once it starts going, it's going to have a giant candle spawn in. And if you think it's going to hit a 7 billion market cap, that's a 54x. What's up, Justin? Can you give a well prediction? Yeah, meme coin, it is possible. Yeah, we looked at well earlier. I think well's going... I have to look again. But nothing to see here. Well's holding up. It's over the 236. It held the 618. So if it can maintain the momentum here, which we'll see what happens. But where's well going? Next big stop on well is about an 80% move to 12.6 there. And then let's see. I don't remember what we said. New high on well to $1.30. 4 billion market cap. Get your 20x, 22x, and get out of here. Where do they say well's going to? Well to 260 almost. That's a 37x, 7.7 billion market cap. And then a 100x to a 20 billion market cap to 690. But me personally, I would like this target here. The overall chart on well is bullish. As we can clearly see here, the whole thing is just curled up. Once it goes vertical, giant green candle spawning you to the moon. But if I got a almost 19x, I think I would get out. Het says well is going to 0. Did you say swell or well? I see the little dollar sign on there, but that's usually a ticker symbol, ain't it? What time is it? Oh wow, it's 9:30. I didn't realize it was so late. But yeah. All right, so Swell's going to be the last one, and then we're going to call it for the night. Over 2 hours. We looked at a whole bunch. Yeah, Swell. I think Swell's the one I don't like to chart for, ain't it? Let's see here. Swell on the 4 hour. Yeah, tiny time frame here. I like to do these things on the larger time frames. That way we can get a better sense of what's happening. Because you can clearly see this thing just fell off the table over the last day. 2 days, 3 days. Had a decent run up, and then now she came all the way back down. Tagged at 236 that it blew through. So time to go up from here, I guess. So about a 10% move. All right, so yeah, and then low to the high. Yeah, it's sitting right on the 0.5 at 3.8. Bounced off to 236. Once you get over 4, short-term bullish, and then 4.2 macro bullish. But yeah, Coinbase coin, low market cap. It's still got the curl up here, higher highs and higher lows. Just had a hard fall here, which it seems to have every time that happens. It pumps up and it goes to 0. Then Swell. Such a new chart, so it's hard to say where it's going to go. Top of the fib here, if you think it can hit just under $1 billion market cap, pretty much $1 takes you up and gives you a 20 from today, about a 26, 27x almost, or 25.5x that is. But the overall chart zoomed out here, it's just very new. Swell sucks. What'd you say? Yes, you were asking for Stronghold earlier. All right, well, we'll end it with Stronghold here. Yeah, Stronghold's not looking bad, it looks like. Let's see. Just like a day or so ago, I did an update. It's moved up just a hair since we looked at it last. It's right below the 2272, getting stuck at 9.1. And then if we go high to the low, let's see here. Yeah, it's holding the 618. So as long as you're over 7.8, 9.1's the price to beat, and then one penny. So once this move up breaks this high here, you should be good to go at that point. But a decent run up already. 70% move to a penny and a half would be next. And then if this thing's going to go to the top of the fib, 886 million market cap, 18.5x. A more conservative target from where you are now is a 7.5x, 354 million market cap to 6.5 pennies. He says, mark my words, P&G is going to be at 30 or higher tomorrow. We'll see. It's lagging behind, so I wouldn't doubt it. Everyone's going to come in here asking for P&G every 5 minutes. All right, so we're going to leave it at that. I appreciate you guys coming in here. I appreciate the super stickers, the super chats. It's always awesome. You guys get me through the day. I love doing these live streams, by the way. And we'll be back tomorrow. So everyone, hit the like button on your way out. Hit the little hearts. Do what you can to help the channel. I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys coming in here. And we'll see what tomorrow brings. So with that being said, None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, everyone. Happy Thanksgiving if I didn't say it. Happy Turkey Day. And God bless you all. Peace out.